out and it's a beautiful sunny day, and I am just doing the Caudle Lake Loop. Third time's a charm. I have finally found Caudle Lake and I've seen it, and it is beautiful. It's a nice, easy, tranquil walk, and the birds are chirping. They're happy here, and I'm just about finished. This loop was quite fast. Nice, easy trail, and then I'm going to meet a friend for coffee and do a little bit of reflections, and it's the end of the month, so I'm going to do my typical monthly audit, look at my numbers, do some reflections, set some intentions for my next month. Oh, there's something over there in the bushes. And yeah, it's a great day. I'm gonna just soak in this beautiful scenery. And it's so mild out today, I just might need to put a chair outside. I'm not sure if you can see, but just beyond those trees is like a little metal walkway, and that is along the opposite side of the lake, of Caudle Lake, and it's beautiful. It's like a little platform, so you're not ruining the wetlands and the marsh along the banks there, and it pretty much goes all along that one side. So you are like literally walking on water. Look at this little viewpoint. You can come sit up there and see all of Caudle Lake. So cool. And back to the car I go. Good afternoon. I am out on this beautiful walk here along the water. It is low tide and it is truly incredible. And I'm just soaking in this beautiful sunny day. I repotted some plants today. Some of my flowers are coming up, so I put them in small little pots to put on my windowsill. And sadly, my mint has not flourished. So I am attempting for my third type of plant in this same pot. I bought some cilantro at a little farm that I went to on the weekend. So I've potted that. Oh wow, this rock got over here. Look at that. So pretty. So yeah, we will see if it dies, then I know for sure the soil just needs to be tossed and I need to start all fresh. And really that's all I've been working on household wise. I've just been like trying to stay active with Pilates and yoga, and hair color came in today, So I have decided, after lots of thinking and deliberation, that this going blonde idea is not working for me. It is not hiding my grays like I had anticipated. So I'm gonna go back to just dyeing my hair myself with professional hair color and going dark again. I think I'll keep it blonde on the ends originally and then eventually just kind of fade it all the way through. But so that hair color came in today, so I'm not sure if I will color my hair later today or if not tomorrow for sure, and just feel fresh and excited about my hair color. And maybe you guys don't care about this, but anyways, just little updates about me, and my cucumbers and tomatoes are flourishing, and I am just loving this beautiful view today. I'm just gonna keep taking it in. Okay, quick haul. I just wanted to show you my updated cilantro pot, Santo, and some of my cucumbers are dying off. I'm not sure if I need to transplant them or if they just weren't meant to survive. I'm not sure. And then I have my little teeny tiny flowers beginning to sprout. And on my way back, I stopped at Homesense, and maybe I'm just one of the weird people that buy my food at Homesense, but I like to get some of their unique pasta sauces and dried fruit, and I have not had Laura Sequoia mini eggs, so I thought, why not give them a try?